Moves SLC system power.
Battery status icons.
The battery status icons show the charge of the two system batteries individually and indicates if external power is connected. The orientation of the batteries on Moves SLC, the labels, and on the screen icons shown is always as follows. Left is battery A, and right is battery B. The plug icon indicates that wall power is connected. A charge icon is displayed on the battery icon if the battery is charging. If a battery icon is missing, then the battery is not connected. If a battery appears to be installed but is shown as missing on the display, inspect the battery and replace or reinstall. When an alarm associated with the system power is active, the area behind the battery status icons is highlighted with a red background if the highest associated alarm is high priority. Otherwise, a yellow highlight is used for medium and low priority alarms.
Connecting the AC power. Remove the power supply and power supply cords that are stored in the Moves SLC accessory case. There are two cords supplied. A cord with a standard male and female connector supplies the power from a wall socket or line supply, such as a generator, to the power supply. This cord is supplied with a grounding prong on the male connector. To reduce the risk of electrical shock, this prong should never be removed or compromised. A cord permanently affixed at one end of the power supply with a special 9-pin female connector supplies power from the power supply to the Moves SLC unit. The end that connects to the Moves SLC unit is keyed to ensure proper connection. Insert the AC power cord into the front of the power supply. Remove the protective cap from the receptacle on the rear panel of the Moves SLC unit. Insert the 9-pin connector into the receptacle, then rotate the locking collar clockwise to secure the connector. Inspecting the batteries. On the front of each battery, just beneath the handle, there is a battery condition indicator. Pressing the button on the battery condition indicator shows the status of each battery. As the battery power decreases, the illuminated LEDs extinguish from green, meaning a high level of charge, through yellow, meaning a medium level of charge, to red, meaning the battery is exhausted. The power supply charger should charge both batteries to 100% in 2 to 2.5 hours, while the system is running with a typical load. Note that the Moves SLC must be operated with at least 2 batteries or 1 battery and connection to the power supply. Installing the batteries. Inspect the battery for physical damage, such as cracks, holes, and leaks. Do not use or charge a damaged battery. Lift the battery compartment latch and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise to open the battery bay door. Push the battery into the battery compartment until it engages. Ensure the battery is fully inserted and properly seated. Close the battery bay door and rotate the latch 90 degrees clockwise, then lock it by pushing the latch in. Repeat this procedure for the second battery. If a battery requires a charge, it can be recharged simultaneously during normal operation when the Moves SLC is connected to the power supply.